Hey guys, this is Chris from Gadget Voice, and today we're going to compare the MatePad Pro with the iPad Pro. So the Huawei MatePad is available in two variants, the MatePad and the MatePad Pro. We have the MatePad Pro over here, and we're going to find out what Pro really means in its name and how does it compare with the iPad Pro. Let's find out. Now let's start with the design of both the devices. Now if you look at both the devices, they're beautiful to look at, but with the MatePad Pro, Huawei has yet again proven that they can compete at the highest level of premium build quality. The MatePad Pro is sleek, elegant and robust. Now if you look at both the tablets, the screen sizes are almost similar, but with the MatePad Pro, you get a 90% screen to body ratio, which is the first for any tablet in the world. In terms of the resolution, the MatePad Pro offers 280 pixels per inch, while the iPad Pro offers 264 pixels per inch. And when it comes to the aspect ratio, the MatePad Pro offers 16:10 aspect ratio. This means when you're watching a movie, you don't get those annoying black bars on the top and the bottom. Now since the size of the MatePad Pro is similar to a book, reading ebooks on the MatePad Pro seems a bit more natural. And even though the MatePad Pro is smaller in size, you get a better screen to body ratio than the iPad Pro. The MatePad Pro is powered by the latest Kirin 990 processor. This MatePad Pro variant comes with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage space. In order to check the performance of the MatePad Pro, we opened 20 different applications on both the devices. As you can see, the MatePad Pro has a quicker overall response and opens the apps much faster. With most of us working from home, we really need tools and devices that can help us work efficiently and productively. Now this is where the Huawei MatePad Pro really shines, with its multi-screen collaboration feature. So with Huawei's multi-screen collaboration feature, I can seamlessly go from working from my tablet to working on my phone and then back to the tablet again. For instance, you can take a phone call on your phone and transfer it to your tablet, and the speaker, microphone and camera will all transfer there. You also get an app multiplier feature. Now this allows you to run the same app in two separate windows simultaneously. This feature offers you more productive and convenient experience. Now there are various accessories available from Huawei which can be used to take your experience with the MatePad Pro to a whole new level, like the M Pencil for example, which can be used for drawing and taking notes. The M Pencil has 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity, so it's like using a real pencil. The harder you press the pencil, the bolder the line will be. Also, it supports magnetic charging directly from the MatePad Pro. There's also a smart magnetic keyboard case for the MatePad Pro. In order to start using it, just attach the MatePad Pro to the keyboard case and it starts working. The keyboard case lets you get work done faster, and the actual keys feel and sound really nice. One of the reasons that you would get a tablet is the portability factor, and this is where the Huawei MatePad Pro really shines. It offers one of the best battery life of devices that I've recently tested. While both the MatePad Pro and the iPad Pro offer 10 hours of battery life, the MatePad Pro charges twice as fast. That's because the MatePad Pro offers a 40-watt supercharger, while the iPad Pro is still using an underpowered 18-watt charger. The MatePad Pro offers wireless charging capabilities, and it is also the first tablet in the world which offers reverse charging feature. So which one should you buy? Well, it all depends on a few factors like the pricing, the performance, the feature list and so on. For me, the MatePad Pro sounds like a really good deal. It is a productivity aimed tablet which is available at an affordable price point. In fact, it is available at 30% lesser price than the iPad Pro. So for a price point Starting at 1999 dirhams, the MatePad Pro is a great tablet for work and play.